doing?
Looking around.
Looking around?
He's looking around.
You're being so gentle with that birdie.
Yeah.
Yeah, look at his little legs.
Little leg.
Toes.
Two.
Little legs.
Green.
Yeah. Scared me too. What did he do?
He flies.
Not yet. Not yet. He
He's
will
not
when he
old
gets
enough to
older.
fly. He's little.
It's little.
Is that his nest?
Yeah.
Do you want to put him to bed in his nest?
No.
Not yet. Good night, Betty.
You have popsicle?
No good night.
Not yet. Maybe in a little bit. Right now we're hanging out. I'm getting
Baby food. Yeah. We'll give him another game. No.
No, you're right.
Birdie, bring back. Bring your pepper.
Yeah, change his diaper.
Birdie.
Need diaper change?
No.
Birdie, you're being really good.
Sour. Birdie
Birdie heard that car.
Mm-hmm.
Got nervous. I think he wants to go back in his nest.
No.